Yo, yo, what's happening? What's happening? What up? What up? What up? What up? TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, Instagram, MySpace, Facebook. What up? What up? What up? Awesome. Let's get it. Yo, Pez, what up, brother? Shiba. All right, cool. What's happening, you guys? Couple levels here on gold. Couple key levels here on gold. What's up, you guys on YouTube? And oh, look at NQ completely filling that range back up now. Wow. So we're here at New York session, high volume. We'll see if we can get something happening over here for New York. That would be pretty cool. What up, Wolfpack? What up, Wolfpack? What up, Wolfpack? What up, Galan Ahmed? Break below here, I'll sell. Break above here, I'll buy. So many scammers in the space. You know, give them your card details. Hi, bro. Do you give a live trade? I mean, that's one way to put it, I guess. Yeah, I guess that's one way to put it. Is it worth buying back my 150K for 780? No, definitely not. No. John. Yeah, all right, whatever. So here we are, just in this range here now. So either waiting for a break above or break below or something like that. That's where I'm at. What up, Tristan? Yeah, I'll see if I can get these Apex, these other accounts over the line today. Alpha. Like me, I'm such an alpha. Your videos been appearing in your feed? That's good for me. That's good to know. So we're just consolidating here majorly right now. Major consolidation at this level. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream. Get thummy with it. What up, Harrison? And here's the thing, Camille, why are you even buying 150K accounts if you're blowing them? Just get 50Ks. Man, this is crazy. Look at it, just stuck here. Someone said NQ sells. Brother, what the fuck are you on? Yeah, I don't know. There's not much. I'd need to see a red candle print on NQ to be interested. Young age. I never see you long time. Yeah. Can you believe that Facebook literally deleted my account, even though it was verified? They said I'm an impersonator. I was like, brother, impersonating myself. And they actually called me and restored it. Good stuff, Jones. I'm pretty bullish. Yeah, that's right, Hamid. Yep. Yeah, believe my account got like banned and stuff like that, but it's back. Good stuff, Ryan. The lines that I've drawn are based on 15-minute structure. What up, Max? In the glasses. Yo. Am I really lagging? Sylvia, what time is it? 5:09? Logan Paul? No Logan Pauls here. Pogan lol. All right, so this is interesting. Literally just stuck here. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream. Helps me feed my family. Each thumb up helps me feed a family of 4. Are you German? Yes. No, there shouldn't be any lag. It's only like, is there lag? I just joined the when can I receive my payout? I think you look better with the glasses, man. I mean, bro's subtly saying I'm ugly. All good. No lag? Okay. Waiting for breakout? I mean, ideally, yeah. You know, we're kind of just stuck here for the minute, so we'll see what happens. What up, J Trades? I've been getting stopped out so quick. Yeah, that's trading for you. Yeah, I mean, yeah, what are you going to do? See if NQ can close red. Yeah, there's that pop. Would it kill you to put one indicator up there? Why though? Play that vibe song. I mean, it'll come around. The music's on. Can you give me advice on how to ask someone for advice? Say, sir. Sir, advice. Why London suck these days? I mean, London's just... London done been sucking. Love that vibe song, yeah. It's in the mix there somewhere. So I showed up for a bit of Asia. No, a bit of London. Nothing really happened. Nothing too much really happened in London. I haven't really been on the charts too much today. So please advice on advice. Wow, London, look how similar. Silver's looking to gold. London was doo-doo. Happy New Year to you too. Do you not mark out your gaps though? What do you mean? What gap? B or S? I love how the signal cats get so... Man, I need a soundboard. How do I get a soundboard for the stream? I'll have to look into that. Just join the mentorship. Let's go! Let's get it, my dude. I'll catch up with you on a call, your intro call. Good time to lock in. Start of the year, man. Start the year off right. There's a burger. Oh, really, Pez? Voice Lab? Dub. I'll put that here just for a reminder later. All right, 13 seconds for a closure here. Gold's looking doo-doo right now, but we'll get it set up. NQ's looking all right. Bit of a stretch to say that though. I'm not too hot on NQ. Pez was reliable. How do you identify market trend? Just look if it's going up or down. Sorry guys, I'm low energy. I'll try and wake up. I'll try and wake up, man. Been watching for a while now, even. Nice, Spectre. Yeah, there's that pop. Look how similar what the market has done every time the last couple of days, whatever. Like it had a pullback, had a small bit of consolidation, then pushed up, and then consolidated. Had a pullback, small bit of consolidation, then pushed up. Had a pullback, had a small bit of consolidation, then pushed up. It's done the identical thing 3 times in a row now. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'll be waiting for a candle to close above the line. Let's get it, Allison. How's your daily cost in Dubai compared to Australia? Like 10 times more? Yeah, Dubai's expensive, man. Don't get that twisted. What's up, Vanessa? Puck, what up, what up, what up? CPI, I don't think there's CPI. I don't think there's any red folder coming up. Nah, it's more than that. A normal cup of coffee in Dubai is like 15 Australian dollars. Literally, I'm not even exaggerating. I'm not even exaggerating. Locus, I just got it's Locus. I just got a notification of your comment just then. But see, the difference is I made $67,500 in 40 days and you didn't. So it's like, it's always the broke dudes that have the most to say. Pez, what the fuck? Biceps of my sword. Oh, shit. Oh, not 6-7 shit. Fuck me. Yeah, gonna have to just be a bit patient here. This is the thing, you're saying explain it to me, but you clearly didn't watch the video, so I'm like, you're just a stupid person. 6-7 type shit. So we're still in this range here. It's still a consolidation rate of death. I'm not going to trade this range right here. This is a range of destiny. Really going to be looking for a breakout of either of these levels. It's going to be the main thing. No, I'll be jumping between NQ as well. I'm looking at NQ on my other accounts. Coming back down here now. Faked out a lot of buyers there for sure. Yeah, I do need to buy a coffee machine because I'm spending freaking $67,000 on it, on coffees a day. Why do you not trade the Top Step live account? I blew it up. Yeah, I blew it up. When they moved me to live, I had $8,000 in that account. And I was just like, man, I don't want to trade this account. I don't care about this. And I just full margined it. So I could get back to trading multiple accounts. The main difference is it's just shitter with a live account. A live account, you literally have a $2,000 lockout limit. All this kind of stuff. It's fine. But if I got moved to live and I had like maybe 25K in the account minimum, I would have liked it a bit more. I would have been happy to grow it and stuff, but I had 8K in it. I was like, this is lame. Could you give me a synopsis of your strategy? Yeah, the strategy is just price action, simple price action. Don't really pay attention to indicators and stuff. Just mark key levels on the 15-minute time frame and then use kind of higher time frame structure and understanding of candlestick anatomy to gauge direction and gauge the bias on a potential trade entry. So the first thing I look for is like the main entry signal is a break below a respected level. And then I'll jump back to the other time frames and do a bit of an overview and make sure it makes sense on the higher time frames if I'm looking to enter and do that. What if the live account was all marketing? Marketing what? What do you mean? Marketing what? Oh, I don't know what you mean, sir. Vanessa likes you, brother. Vanessa likes you, brother. Where? I missed it. I must have missed it. NQ? Maybe. If it closes small body red, I might be interested. Yeah, if you break your rules, yeah, that's the ultimate strat. Damn, so many fucking buyers got faked there. Everyone clicked buy because they thought they were smashing up to old times. Yeah, keep an eye on NQ. Why hide the express balance? Because what makes you think that I need to show you how much is in my bank account? Do you walk around and show everyone how much is in your bank account? I mean, I already show up every day live and show everything and do everything live for free. It's like, what more? People just say, I want more. You know, there's some things I'd rather keep private. I've got 3 minutes here. Got some closures coming up. We'll see how we go. Potential sells on NQ if we can pull back a little bit. Don't drop too much for me. Potential sells on gold as well. Yeah, I literally just said I blew the live account. I'm not hiding anything. Nice, MJ. Bro, you have that narcissistic vibe all over? Okay. Yeah, NQ's kind of breaking the lows there a bit. Oh no, you don't need to delete them, Nikki. 2 minutes here. Two minis. What? This person in the chat, Dan has heaps of potential though. If you could break through this one strategy, there's hope. Yeah, thanks, bro. I'm a narcissist. Oh, fuck. I have a question for experienced traders. Do profitable trading become second nature, or is it always hard? It's always hard. Yeah, it's always hard. Every day you wake up, it's a clean slate. Yeah, every day is a clean slate. Never fails to have shades on indoors. Yeah, I do it because I know it makes some people angry. All right, man, we've got some candle closures coming up here. I mean, we've filled a lot of this range a bit, but I might still be interested. I don't know. We'll see. NQ is too extended now. How do you stay focused? What do you mean? When? Like when? Why not sell gold after it closes? I mean, I'm potentially interested. I'm a bit concerned with the extension, the amount in which it's extended now. Because I'd ideally want to take at the break of the low, but that's pretty extended now. Maybe at the flip. Maybe at the flip. Let's have a look. 30. That was a 30 closure. Yeah, it's a bit fakey out, vibey. This guy looks like Zod from Superman. What the fuck is Zod? Who's Zod from Superman? I look like this. This is what I look like apparently. Wow, look at that. Yeah, read Pez's comments. I might pin that comment for a while. He knows he looks like a model, a foot model. Why didn't you take it? So I was waiting for it to break below, retest, and then push and break the low of the previous candle, but it kind of just opened up and dropped down, and now it's just here. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. If you like me, you like the stream, you like humanity, drop a thumb. He only started live streaming because... No, Nikki, I wanted to read that. Oh, here we go. He only started live streaming because he saw Raja Banks and he wanted to make money the same way from live streaming without even knowing how to trade. Brother! You don't make money live streaming, stupid! If I turned the ads on, I would make probably $1,000 US a week. But I don't turn ads on the live stream. Stupid! But yeah, that was the game plan. I said, you know what? Raja Banks is streaming. I want to be rich, so I'm going to stream. You fucking loser! God damn it, you made me break my thing. Anyway. Yeah, nothing happening here on gold just yet. I mean, at least we've got a bit more of a level here on NQ. I mean, I'm here to trade as well. I want to trade, but it's just a bit unfortunate. And I only show up for the stream for like an hour, so if I don't get a trade in an hour, I kind of just pull the pin. Now it's time to turn the ads on, yeah. Yeah, fuck it. All because of this Jack kid in the chat, I'm turning ads on. Raja Banks is the only person allowed to stream. This doesn't follow my rules, kid. Red card for you. You do make money from it when people click the link and they join your mentorship. No, you make money other than trading. No. If you're a trader, you only make money through trading, otherwise you're a piece of shit. Bro doesn't know how business works. And see how it pushed down first, then retested, then repushed? Statistically, I don't like taking those. Like they're statistically a bad trade to take. That's why I didn't take it then. Wow, Nikki, fuck me. I seen that person's comment. No. Dude, don't want to trade live. How do you trade a 15-minute? Brother. The chat today is just like, it's because my YouTube channel's grown a fair bit recently throughout the holidays when I haven't been live streaming. So I've just brought in a whole new sea of freaking, you know, autism. Yeah, maybe I'll cook on the live account today as well. How mentorship work? Mentorship work, you join, there's two tiers. You can either join the lower tier or the higher tier. The higher tier guys have unlimited one-on-one calls with me. We guide them through each chapter of their trading journey. The goal is to get you funded over multiple accounts and get consistent payouts. With that, you get an in-depth course strategy breakdown. But the biggest thing is it's a mentorship. No one in the industry does mentorship like I do, which is unlimited one-on-ones. I only do that because I'm a loser and this is my whole life. So I have the time, the energy, and the effort to dedicate to working one-on-one with a select few traders. So that's what I do. Anyone that's interested in learning one-on-one directly with me, here's a link to it. I just put it in the shits. I'll pin it. Congrats on your sex, Dan. First time here. Hats off to you. Trading live. Trading is hard enough. Yeah. No, I appreciate you. I mean, it's a good point. Trading's hard enough as it is, let alone doing it live. It's very difficult. That's why I think about how many billions of traders are out there in the world, especially those that make content, but how many do it live consistently? Alhamdulillah. I think you have to create a TikTok group for us. Yo, what's up, Aru? If you haven't liked the stream on YouTube, I'm literally going to find where you live and whisper in your ear. So not much movement here. We're still kind of in this range. Look at, like, today's really just been a shitty little rangy day. Like, we've had some moves up and downs. But no real direction today. Please suggest the best broker for trading. Link in biography. Link in biography. China. Yeah, a bit of patience here, man. What are you gonna do? Just gotta wait for the trade to come to us. I'm here to trade as well, so I have to. It's good to see you here every day. It's good to have you here every day. Oh, live from, welcome from Medellin, Colombia. Yeah, I really got to come over there. I mean, check this out, you guys. If we write this into Google, women, I mean, Colombian women are just the absolute best of the world, right? I mean, all good. Colombian women, like, what are you gonna, you know what I mean? Like, all good, but yeah, gotta come over. It's gotta be done. I've got to figure out a reason to go over there for work purposes. Is anyone in the mentorship that lives in Colombia? Balkan women better? Where the hell is that? And life cheaper, yeah. Top tier Latinas, yes sir. You remind me of Owen Wilson. Bro, don't say that. His nose is all busted up, isn't it? God damn it. How people say my nose is all fucking Owen Wilson. Anyway. Trump snagged the president, bro. Thought him back and get. What the flip are you saying, bro? Bruh. Owen Wilson personality. Okay. No. That's like Owen Wilson in every movie. No, man. You gotta slow down, man. Price pushing back up into this range. If it breaks back on... Bro, I swear I had COVID. I mean, I want to kind of buy, but the issue is we're going to run straight into some structure here. Pretty major resistance. I mean, I haven't got too much on. I guess I'll wait a little. I'll stream a little bit longer here to get some. Try to get some New York volume. Why go there? Find them online. Why go to Colombia when you can find women online? That's right. Dial 4666 to find women in your area. Jerk, mate. Some person messaged me on Tinder and they said, "Hey, how are you?" And it's just like, really? Like, what the I just, honestly, I read that and I just blocked her. So I'm like, I don't even... Yeah, anyway. Oh, what's happening, Carolina? Yeah, I know. And that's also why I don't stream for too long. I start going crazy. How are you? No, I didn't really. I'm just joking. You already have a baddie in the chat. I doubt she's 18 though. Brother! That's my Nikki. I mean, Nikki's like, yeah, Nikki's locked in. Nikki's a part of the fam. Baby oil's breaking them up. Who's putting bets on baby oil? Long position. All right, so here we are on gold. Whatever. Like, this is fucking tough, man. I'm not gonna lie. This is kind of tough. Do I want to take a break at the high and anticipate a fake out here if I can get a bottom wick? What's the reason of not trading Asia? Because it's 4 a.m. for me. I've been watching for a year and I've never seen you take a trade live, selling courses only. No, he's onto me. Fuck. I haven't taken a trade in a year and I only sell courses. The course is a PDF document of just words. The difference is I'm a profitable trader and I wait for setups to come to me and you're just some dude in the chat in TikTok and it's all good. Yeah, it's all good, man. We're just chilling. Just gonna be patient here, man. Gonna be patient. I mean, I'd usually be wrapping the stream up personally, but I'll hang around a little bit longer today, see if we can get it set up. Hello, so I breached 12 accounts back to back. So now what I will do is buy another one. Oh, trade a real account. Brother, that's the reason you're blowing them. You said, okay, I've done this. back to back to back blown accounts. So I'll just get another one, or I'll move to live account and then blow that. It's like, brethren, you know what I mean? Think about what you just said. Instead of doing that, think about it. Why am I blowing these accounts? What's the repetitive thing? Yeah, no one's I mean, the last, what, like 2-3 hours, no one's traded this range. No one's won a decent trade in this range so far. There's nothing happening here on gold just yet. And anyone in the chat that's trying to gaslight me into taking a trade, it's like, brother, there's literally nothing here just yet. Oh, from South Africa. What up, MXOL Aussie? I don't know how to pronounce your name. Yeah, candle structure chop suey as hell. Crazy slippage with alpha futures, really? I haven't noticed that. I've got alpha accounts here. If this candle flips and breaks a high, now because it already did that. Remember what I said before? Personally, one of my rules is if it pushes up, then pushes down, then like to this extent, it's like it's a lower probability. I'm on alpha and an alpha. Alpha futures. What benefits do you prefer, Rav Rect, of Forex over futures? When we look for a breakout, does it matter if the wick is extended or, yeah, it does matter. It's on a case-to-case basis. So if you've got any like idea, anything specifics about like a scenario you're thinking about, you can throw a screenshot in the Discord and tell me to have a look. Free Discord community, I'll post a link here. I'll post it in the chat. I'll post it for you guys on Facebook as well. TikTok doesn't let me post links. Look at this, I'm rejecting back up. This is like the range of destiny, man. The fuck's a volume tick alarm? And why do you care about raw spreads when futures has no spread? 777 concurrent viewers on YouTube. What does 777 mean? 777 symbolize divine perfection, spiritual awakening, inner wisdom, and good fortune. Good fortune. We're gonna win the next trade. Excellent. Just lost a scalp trade. Yeah, it's tough, man. If you're trading gold, it's tough right now. There's not a ton happening, man. You can come to Colombia. There is a lot of people interested in trading. Just need a translator. I mean, I'll use AI for translation. I'll use AI for translation, my dude. Honestly. However you translate big booty. Yeah, the 666 from last year. You look like AI, bro. Gay eye. I don't know, your strategy is so simple. Thanks for that. I just made profit of 35 pip. Nice. Let's get it, Dave. Are you Muslim? No. I'm just, Daniel, I'm just not that. Whoa, NQ did a little drop suey. Right, so we're getting some volume now. Goodo. I'm just chill. Yeah, anyone that's got any trades they want to have a look at on stream or analysis, throw it into the Discord community, and we'll pull it up on stream. So it looks like price is rejecting this level. I mean, I'll put it like this is a good break below level now as well, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Jesus is Lord. Jesus is reliable. If you guys on TikTok, yeah, you have to come over to YouTube. How do I have nearly 200,000 viewers on TikTok, but only 170 viewers? Like TikTok's so hit and miss. You know, sometimes it'll get like randomly 1,000 plus. Look at silver. Yeah, good call actually. Let's have a look at silver. Silver is reliable. Damn, that was like a nice breakout here on silver just before. We fucking missed it. I can't take a break above here now. It's too overextended. Thank you, Francis. Thank you, Nikki. Wow. What up, Drew? All right, man, we've got 3 minutes here for an hour closure. 30-minute. Should get some good volume kicking in very shortly. The 4-hour candle is closing as well, engulfing all this shit. I knew this was going to happen. I knew that 4 hours was going to come back up and close above here. Yeah, very tricky day for very tricky day for gold. Definitely. Definitely. NQ, Wick Central, yeah. Wick of the freaking prosperity. Some dude said, watch my stream, guys. All right, let's have a look if we should watch this guy's stream. Nah, don't block him, Nicky. It's fine. Whoa, shit, this chair, bro. Let's see if we should... Oh, this... No. Oh, it is this dude. No, it's not. Okay, some dude. This is a dude saying, watch my stream. So let's go back a little bit here. So you've got one stream that you're live with right now. Another one 5 hours ago. Okay, so it looks like you just started streaming 2 weeks ago, 8 hours ago. The first one was 3 weeks ago. Bro, you got to be doing this every single day, and you got to stream for longer than 15 minutes. Ah, these ones are a bit longer. Oh, and you got to turn off. No one can comment unless they're subscribed. Turn that off, bro. Like, it's a free community. You do this shit for free, not for subscribers. I'll subscribe to you. Anyway, let's have a look. Why don't you take a trade right now where price is right now? Next range is 30 pips away because I don't know what's going to happen next. What if it comes back down? Free promo, what a chat. All right, so it's candles closing here. What up, Ricky? Back at you, Allison. How was it meeting Raja? How was it meeting Raja? Good. Still sick. It was good. It was all God's plan for a purpose. It was all, yeah. It was all for a purpose. I mean, the older I get, you know, the older you get, you're meant to become less spiritual and believing in shit. Like, the older I get, the more spiritual I become, and the more I've just really kind of... Life is really weird, man. Dog, forget the advice, roast that streamer. I was planning to start streaming on YouTube as well. Any advice? Yeah, my advice would be do it for you, not for views or people. And if you can get past 3 months, you should be good to go. But make sure you're doing it just for you. Don't do it because I want to build an audience and I want to be there for people and I want all this shit. Like, it's just for you. Just stream for the purpose of becoming a better trader. And if people want to show up and hang out and stuff, that's dope. Yeah. How can I get the Discord link? Nikki will probably give it to you. Oh, there it is there, yeah. Can this hurry up and break out? Bruh, don't rush the market. That shows me that you're sitting there like, you know, with this anticipation of like, come on. You just have to be chill, bro. Let the market do its thing. And if it sets what you want, then let it cook. The other day when Raja simulated NASDAQ, he took so many SLs. He appreciated you that you got something special to stay in NASDAQ. Oh, did he? Did he say that because I trade NAS? Wow, look at NAS coming back down. Yeah, I've figured, like, I know when to take a breakout on NAS and when not to. NAS is NAS is better for type 2 setups, I've found. Wait, are you actually doing something with those colored bars on the screen? I thought this was a podcast. Bro, at this point, I might as well start fucking cleaning the house. I actually did smash some glass before. That's wild, bro. I mean, I've heard a lot of shit on this stream, but I mean, this might be my last stream, bro. I don't know if I can do it anymore. I don't know if I can do it anymore. So waiting for a breakout here on gold. I might as well put some text here. Bars above. I'm in Dubai now, but I'm from Australia. From Brisbane. Cleaning channel. Look, stop giving us a bad name. That's funny. Yeah, I'm sure silver pushed. It looked like it was very bullish there. Yeah. I'm not going to watch it. It's just going to give me unnecessary FOMO. I was fighting Crocs when I was little. The Crocs were like the local junkies though. Yeah, you got to get through them. Are you on Spotify? Oh, Dave, fuck. I mean, yeah, look, there's a lot of fucking anticipation right at this key level here on gold. And it's like, I understand people that might want to take a buy here to try and anticipate that continuation up. If I did that, I'd be breaking my rules just to try and predict a move. What's the reference number for your Rolex? How do I know that? How do I find that out? No, I don't watch cricket. Oh, back of the doc. Oh, in the documents. Yeah. Do you speak Arabic? Yes. There you go. I just said hello. How are you? Yeah. So we'll see. What up, troll? Jiminy Cricket. Yeah, got to get a. I'm gonna get a soundboard ready next time. So see if gold wants to pop its head up. I mean, if I had hour candles engulfing and shit like that, I might have been interested. Fuck off, bro. Yeah, the 1 hour candle here didn't engulf. I understand the 4 hour is kind of engulfed and shit like that, but yeah, what am I gonna do? I can't just break my rules just because I want to be in a move. Assalamu alaikum. I don't remember who that troll person is, Nikki. Yeah, it didn't break out. Nothing like, yeah, there's no real, yeah, there's no trade here, really. It's just, yeah, it's just my mind going, oh, this is a major level of interest, price is moving up, I want to be a part of it, but no actual confirmation. What did you say about Bolt or funded next? Wait, what? Yeah, I know. Hopefully a fake out and can try and sell it back down. Voice very low, really? I had a feeling it was. That should be better, a bit better. I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't say drop the type ones, but yeah, you'll find you probably have a better hit rate with T2s on NAS. Hussein, it's probably because you're on futures, Forex, and this is futures. See, there's a difference between futures and Forex slightly. No, I don't use a 5 minute time frame at all. Make sure you guys on YouTube, we're back at 777 concurrent viewers. That means prosperity, money. Make sure you guys, if everyone in the chat right now clicks the like button, the YouTube algorithm will literally explode and money will come flying out of your phone. You know, we've got some very high volume times coming up here. I mean, I might be interested in a breakout knowing that it's such a high volume time coming up. Maybe we'll see. What up, Samo? Yeah, it comes through a charging port. Thank you, old man. Nikki, you're literally 2 years old and you don't know what this 6-7 thing is? I don't even know what it is. All I know is kids say it and it's annoying. Yeah, and some brokers have different chart prices, that's right. Is buy overextended? Yes. But still potential for it, we'll see. Yeah, that's the thing, trade to future. Like, I mean, really, the last 3-4 hours we've just been in this range, and now we're kind of breaking out. And yes, I want to be a part of it, but I need to be patient. I need to actually make sure it makes sense. And to get that setup that makes sense is just going to require patience. Thank you, user. Glad to hear, my dude. NQ, leaving Wicks of Destiny again. Free Discord community over here. Inverted head and shoulders. This shit's been inverted, son. I want to join your mentorship, but it's expensive. Yeah, that's, I mean, anything that's value packed is going to be expensive. Especially when it requires the time of the teacher. Like, time is the most valuable asset that you can essentially sell. And that's why working one-on-one, it's not cheap. But there's payment plans and things like that, so. How do you mark out those levels? I mean, it's just based on the 15-minute structure where candles are closing. If I get a closure above that, the journey begins. Yeah, start with one express and then start to buy some more combines. That's right, Doro. Big Ahmed, what up? All right, so this candle's about to close. We've got 50 seconds here. It's kind of peaked its head above this level, but nothing crazy just yet. A lot of buyers have been activated around here, definitely. Do you trust a 15-minute closure? Better wait for the 30. I mean, I 15-minute closure is like the first step, right? And then I need to build a bias with some other shit going on. Nah, I trade with multiple funded accounts. Well, multiple different prop firms. I recommend you stick with a 50K account, definitely. I mean, this is the number one sign of like a newer trader is they go straight to buying the most hectic, expensive accounts. And it's like, bro, just stick to the low account. So this candle broke out here. If I can get it, if I get a decent bottom wick and the re-break at the current high, I might be interested in a buy. It's definitely risky. It's a bit overextended at this point. Would love to see a steep bottom wick. I'm really glad I'm not in a trade right now. Like if I triggered some sort of impulse trade here, I wouldn't be happy, right? I would be like scared. Need to test those sellers. Yeah, that's exactly right. If I get a steep wick here, it's definitely overextended, but I might be interested. It's such a high interest area and it's a high volume time. I'm pretty interested. Yeah, something like that, a nice wick like that. See, all those buyers just got trigonometried and they're spewing now. Everyone's stop loss just got hit. I'm going to lower my size a bit actually because it's my stop loss is going to be pretty steep. Give me like a $650 stop loss. Come to the right place, old man. What up, Bruno? I'm profitable until I get tilted, then ruin everything. Yeah, that's a very, very common story. But it's also like a good thing because man, all I got to do is just stick to the fucking rules. It's pretty. The equation's clear at least of what you need to do. Yeah, I'm not mad at the idea of selling gold as well. If it wants to hold below this level, might look at a rejection. Yeah, some sort of sell for sure, definitely. Break at the previous lows there. So many stop losses just got nerfed. Market open in 10. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'll keep my order there for the minute. Yeah, I'd much rather sell in for sure, Jack. Yeah, I would actually rather sell. I'm a bit skeptical on buys. I would love to be able to sell here. I'm going to cancel his order for the minute and see how this candle starts to close here. I mean, my world's longest stream. The issue with streaming is you really kind of have to stick around for this long to get a setup. I usually only stream for like an hour. So this candle closure is going to be like, yeah, this is it. If we can close around here, I'm selling gold big time. Yep. This is where my head's at. Can you explain why? Yeah, let me bring up Zoom real quick. Just tap 15-minute FPG. I'll tell you why I'm potentially getting really interested in cells. Really appreciate your lives. Appreciate you jumping on, my dude. Appreciate you being here. So check this out, you guys. You know, major level up here. If you look at the 4 hour, the 4 hour is really what I was interested in. I'm looking at the 4x 4 hour, really up here out in the naked, kind of like engulfed a lot of these wicks and closed above them. And a lot of time when you see that, it's like, it's kind of like hanging there like fucking what's going to happen next type beat. You know, there's not really clear direction yet. We've just been consolidating for the day. Like there's no real reason for me to be super bullish on gold right now. We're not trending today. We're just consolidating today. So this would be considered a heavy area of resistance that it's reacting off. The signs that I look for the right type of reaction is within the candle closures would be similar to what it's doing now with like an engulfing 15-minute candle, you know, a wicky red candle. Ideally, well, I would need it to close red. In my head, it's a reaction off a level. It's a reaction off a level. We still haven't closed above the 1 hour resistance either. And the signs I would be looking for in the next candle would simply just be one more piece of confirmation, which would be maybe another attempt from buyers. And then that red wick would indicate a failed attempt. And then as it starts to push down, this is a really high volume time coming in here with the stock exchange open. Try to capitalize on that volume and see if we can drive down a bit. We'll see. I don't like to think about it too much because, you know, you can build a story in your head that's not accurate. So we'll see. We've got 4 minutes here. Exactly same thoughts? Yeah, beautiful. All right, good stuff. When you join into the Discord, lots of Daniel Holmes will add you. Yeah, be careful, a lot of fake ones. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. From Algeria, nice. What up, my G? Algeria. All right, you know what we've got to do. Algerian women. Let's have a look. I mean, why are they protesting and then others are just kind of chilling? It's like you get either protesters or chillers. Damn. Well, you get this. Yeah, okay. Fair enough. What about Romanian women, brother? Yeah, we'll have a look. We'll have a look after we win this trade. I'm from Twong, 2 girls, brother. How many accounts below before profitable? Just fucking so many. Yeah, just so many. Getting the live account prepped as well for potential entries. Yeah, win rate's pretty high if you can do it correctly. Which broker? Link in bio. Self-stop. Oh, what is NQ doing? Oh, NQ massively said no. See ya. Fair enough. Yeah, fair enough. Gold's doing a good job holding here. Gold's doing a good job holding here, and we've got another minute. I really like this. This is a good setup. I will take this setup every day. Here's the thing, it's not over yet. I'm gonna need a top wick. I don't need much, but I need a motherfucking top wick, bro. If I don't get a top wick, I tried. You know, yeah. So really would like a top wick here, and I'm very interested in a sell here. Rules are rules, exactly. Yep. High volume time. This is a trade I'll take 10 out of 10 times. Win, lose, or draw. Fail, the weakening, the 1 hour, the 1 hour can't break above. Come on, Gold. You can come down a bit more, you little bitch ass motherfucker. Yeah, good. Alright, I'm pretty interested. I'm just gonna need a top wick here. Give it a bit of breathing room. Gonna need to give it a bit of breathing room. I can't just jump in. Don't drop yet. Just hold up, my brother. I'll throw a sell stop at the break of the previous low. And if it doesn't get there and it wants to keep pushing up and break above, then I'm interested in a break above as well. What did NQ do? NQ's a wild cat. Yeah, chat's so quiet because everyone's like, everyone's trying to get a trade, so they're all crickets. From the Netherlands, what up, what up, what up? I'll hang out if this, given it doesn't just completely take off, if it wants to close above this level as well, then I'm interested. Netherlands represent, yes. Man, I've got like a fair few guys from the Netherlands, like in the community and stuff like that. Netherlands is popping off. Yeah, I'm still interested in this if it comes back for sure. The thing is, with such a high volume time like this, man, this bitch can whip back in like a second. Yeah, stop loss is gonna have to be like a happy medium. 60 pips, 65 pips for me, it'd probably be. Yeah, we're getting chopped here. Alright, cancel this order. I mean, so unless now that this is happening, either it breaks above here and holds above and we look at a breakout, or it comes back down, holds below, you know, smaller body green like this, which would end up looking like this. And then you sell on the next candle. That's what I'll be looking for. So I'm just gonna just hang out here, see how what this candle wants to do. And if it wants to hold above, so there's almost definitely a trade here, as long as this doesn't keep pushing up. If this keeps pushing up, then I'm done for the day. Angus/XAU, yeah. Do you think New York's more difficult? I mean, it's all the same. Trading's just difficult in general. Yeah, this doesn't. I really. If this keeps going, yeah, I'm just kind of cooked here, guys. If it breaks as high one more time, I'm just gonna call it, man. Yeah. I mean, I tried to hang out a bit longer and get it set up here. Yeah, NQ's a wildcat. I'll give this candle a little bit more time. I'll give this candle a little bit more time, see what it wants to do. Because, man, around this time of this trading time, this can massively just reject down in a second. So we'll see. I like you, man. Very smart guy, a proper trader. Thank you, brother. I'm not proper, but I'm like super. Trading time, please. Then take a trade. Yeah, I'm going to call it, guys. Nothing here for me. Nothing here for me. Thanks for showing up. I tried. Yeah. Chop suey, then push suey. Love you guys. Thank you for showing up. I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully we get something popping off tomorrow, and that's all good. So thanks, fam. Chat to you soon. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye.